want to really fine mince on these fresh herbs. Keep that knife rocking smoothly across the board, then scrape them into a pile like Next, we're going to season this generously with coarse sea salt. We are looking for that perfect golden brown crust. See how the herbs have caramelized in the butter?
We'll lay it right onto the salt crust. Listen to that sizzle. Now, a final pinch of flake salt right over the top.
Next up, a healthy pinch of coarse sea salt, ensuring every inch of that beautiful crust is seasoned. Now the key here is the technique. Hold the onion steady and let the knife do the work, aiming for those perfect thin crescents. Slice down, then rotate and slice again for a perfect small dice. This is crucial for an even cook. Now we toss in the fresh onions. Listen to that sizzle. Keep stirring them until they're nice and tender. We're going straight in with the ground beef. Listen to that sizzle. Make sure you press it down firmly to get that perfect crust. Listen to that crunch. We're looking for thick, uniform slices. Once baked through, take your spoon and carefully hollow out the center, leaving about a 1/4 inch border all around. Next, arrange the hollowed potato shells on your cutting board. We want them stable for the stuffing. We're taking the seasoned ground beef mixture and filling each potato cup generously. Make sure to pack it down slightly with the back of the spoon. We're finishing this off with a heft sprinkle of cheese, letting it melt right into those fluffy potatoes. Keep a close eye on it. As soon as that beautiful crema starts to rise, you want to pull it off the direct heat to keep it from boiling over. We'll start by carefully scoring the top and slicing down the sides. Then, gently pull the halves apart to reveal the vibrant arils inside. Once the coffee comes to a boil, carefully pour it into your mug. Look at that rich color and the beautiful crema starting to form. After about an hour in the coals, these are ready. The cheese pull here is exactly what we're looking for. Absolutely stunning. The key here is letting it rest. See that perfect medium rare right to the edge. Now we carve the steak off the bone. We finish it off with this vibrant chimichurri. The acidity really cuts through the richness of the beef.